In this video, we'll show you how to stake Ethereum using the Everstake Staking Dashboard. To get started, click the Connect Wallet button. Next, choose the wallet you want to use. In this example, we'll connect the MetaMask wallet. Once your wallet is connected, the dashboard will display your available Ethereum balance. Now enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to stake. Note that the minimum staking amount is now 0.01 Ethereum. Before continuing, make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. When everything is ready, click Stake Now. Then confirm the transaction in your wallet. After the transaction is confirmed, your tokens will be successfully staked and you will start receiving rewards based on the current reward rate. You can track it on the dashboard. Check out our other videos.